Happy New Year mga millennials! Share ko lang itong ginawa kong pork ribs together with my sauce number 7. Yan, nakikita nyo naman ang aming ribs from San Nicolas Market, Angeles City, Pampanga. So, titikman natin. Okay. Mga millennials, nagugas ako ng kamay. Ooh, wow! Malambot guys. Ang sarap. Naaalis. And it's awesome. Happy New Year mga millennials. Bye guys. Love, love, love.